Wow, ebusuya nsɛm si wakwatia wo nsɛm si wakwatia na nsɛm bi a enyu abantie na one edit to just nka esi wakwatia concerning Fante comedy ene amman from keka ho no ese woni ense okache na mo ansa na ebekɔ no message na subscribe to get Nsɛm TV fama ye turn on notification button wo nso a wa like na wa kyerɛ wa adwin or comment section yengo share video no embra
kwa bena kwasi ampani na de na oyɛ ye no enu te Fante ni ayɛ ha ma ɔmɔ hu
Odu ga si ye
ɔma bodam
asante kai impanfo bi wo ho
ɔma bodam
enu achi impanfo yɛ kɔ yɛ ho na general secretary mu ne mema ba ho da na yema me ka me de kɔ ye me de ma Fante ni apiatu mu ina mo de Fante di general secretary ma chi ase na Fante me free nwura bu ho abafie se doso of Fante I come no ma bia ofre mu sa sa be boa
na so mo pa se Ghana no mo tete Fante comedy ne fa ahodie so ana say the NDC ko pa say Fante comedy no ni wo mo yi ana mo target
enya se de
ko ya sam ko so okuro mu na mo
abrantie bi a me wo the picture o tie bi a o se ko the picture o the video oni na di sa duma no obi ope bi a me say man the back side back no me massacre no o hwe di back no anim say di pa we o de di sa duma no o di soldier fo ni national security fo nam kwara say so mo de ba hwe ye atie obo nsu we F150 baako a red one in a V8 baako asu da fogum obo de hwe ya poma free grass war CMP free war say enye the dean of Eastern region due to national organizer how e can be a antena ho ko poma ye nyina free ho
na say yan kwase asem obo no obo campaign obi ye MPP
before the general secretary mu ba ho
o de kasa wie na me
general secretary ma pabam obo dani free ho dia me pese me ka chemu na ndi atefo hwe this election na MPP ayaduma eno kura de okay de omo kun omo so be yaduma na ebi so yi omo nim yi aduma but unfortunately for us yan gbe kwa maye but sika kasai jodi ye fa gro agro bi bianto nche sika kasai ina NDC executives no so omo yi aduma e krasi bi enu wa we NDC national secretary we eyo ho e krasi bi enu ho upon ye di chima krasi ma kuma
na bi ni omo national organizer na ya omo national organizer your friend is say Yamin
yes
Yamin ni bandi
me say
Yamin ejuma wo chese
me say
you see JOD your problem back where want to say MPP mpanyinfo no they don't want to leave the party for the youth and now say baby edu no ye youth ye na ebetumi aye adwuma no omo ma ye
plan dey youth say man na ye ma youth no ye dey to your first positions and dey na mo ye na bi aye dey no ye dey dey to your ya dey na mo ye
no mama ya NPC
youth ye dey youth ye dey
why next
what he's saying is correct.
You did an abi to national organizer. Your my friend say one Salim no one did I didn't know more. Communication now with my youth in the idea party nim. Your party apart from say that.
When we say youth, when you can youth, we are talking about youth at the grassroots level, youth at the national level, grassroots, no. Then the empowerment, Ben, what are we doing? What resources? We are not talking about nobody is talking about money. Nobody is talking about money.
Sacrifice or no more Japan and no so start up no more year. And no be got to across the fair. Obi got to across the lorry fair. And yes, I'm full. And they were party say, who got to about my Dutch. You know. Musi I just a mom love asana mako mo abroche fo na mo te app yisu na mo sori a mo ti chesika hunu man krofu hunu bi no mo ya na mo te asa ye ka se bibia na mo abroche fo no bi wo ho na mo disika ebi no ho app yisu o mo be yi sika nti no mo ba nyese party ne ho do munya abotane fa ma the right people bi ma yo mo so mo de bia na mo fa sika na fa koma we mo fa sika na mo de koma krofu hunu no mo yadwuma de eti obi koto abakra wo sa je se mo ma misika ansa na makoto aba First, the to abani ya nye one afa lorry fare ko. Ade na say obi ko to abakra je say man lorry fare. E dey asem na aba party. E dey
Mama ya that's but they tell you mama ya. Hwe some of us me de me car na call you. And you be an efu me. Me am car na me call you. Obi bi o tell me can be enjoy lorry fare in and out. Apia tu na gina so yi omusa no. Me car so me call baba godom me say ko campaign. And now me ba me car na sense wo. Apia tu na
ma ji wa wudu ka akoye you know bi onu oto mo ye you.
Me car na sense wo. Since I'm going to make car accident. Car inside the car. Me nye be tu na Ghana me be huru car inside. E mu futro. Musa Apia tu ordinary so Apia tu case no be anti. And what we are saying is say any interest in say any you na go campaign. Ni aba na bi anko here we be complain you. There be but party there mama ya nu mi enu. Twa General Secretary e call 5 days answer the any call. Me who away organizer that's organizer. E call ho 1 week. Answer na me call. Me come who national organizer be bia da. Ba bi ba ko pe in ye share no. Anu kwa na ekrom wa o. Nkwase nka ho.
Mo ya ma kwale na kro nu e bi na mo ye ide bi no na mo.
You organizer. You organizer ko nyina. Ba bi ba ko be share no. Obi o be ko pepe mo ma post ni wo ho. Ba bi ba ko pe dem share no. Ma hu ni biem. National coordinator, ye share fufu ase na share no fufu ase. National coordinator, ye share fufu ase na share no. Ye share no kompeso be share ye. And meanwhile,
mo ja no bezo be share, say bi on for mo be so to fufu ma mo.
Na di pa de na mo no. Ni kwani Jody Jody, me the picture be better you on eh. Me samo, mo na papa na sema ya wate. The dean of East region. Oya nana, me person body food na mu na mo be hood back ro. On the year organize the dinner one East region. Omo dean, mo na papa na se. Ye ka se nipa, iye nipa. This a man I say ke yi no so come national executive. Jody, ye be die. Enyama papa na kasa to be che ye. Hand right machines. Oh, enyano papa na ya de.
No ni pa say mu na ya ba. Na say mo contract kwa nom de ya na mo de akoma FN. Adolfo.
Ni pa so. Tiame. E wa timam. Onu akasa personally. E de the cars. Mako 6 pickups. In the best support here. O wie no otike anado about 1 o'clock na me ye ni na kwam.
Tie enema ni bi wo ho no ma hwe nipa no wo the position wo na ade a yes na wo
abusian for some mama pa ya mama so me light na o ma me light mama ya mama nka wasa
bankrofo bi no mo bu underground
o mama ya nya botia na me nka masa na ade ni duma mo nka seme ya mama pa mama ha ma waje ni light dada me phone iPhone e da 12% me to anya me ya anya me ya so ma light battery na maker
power bank de o here
the entire maker say empower youth in say ohwe NDC 2024 social media nkwa campaign omutumi eye no ohwe obi to say these are the TikTok influencers campaign omoye ma NDC in the year 2024 ohwe obi to say Malek Basenteli ohwe obi to say you see we these are the things. And yes, we don't need money. I don't need money to vote for MPP. I don't need make us away. Me say me 2024 me call TV so about even a TV education government in the I go with my own money. Sometimes I have to give radio presenters money before they allow me to talk. These are the things that we are talking about. Just create the creative platforms you to me and kasa into me communicating very well. We are not talking about money here. Please, because Osha MPP policies any they are bad. At the end of the day, it's worth more than billions of dollars. Do you know what free education has done for us? Do you know what TVET has done? Do you know what STEM has done?
Kwejo bedo me pacho me ncha wano. You are an exceptional. Dear Jodi na kana right. Upa social media in so away hum. Crofo bebre. Enami nyashi. Enami yese na manye say. So hunti near Jodi can also you're right. Until you are an exceptional.
Ɛno
Enti
kora
ebe
yɛnti
pe
ɛwɔ
o
di mɛka me na mɛka.
educate wanyonkofoɔ na aka no. No
Yes,
mun so
that is
munye
one
sa
thing.
because
Me
ye nyina ye tu ye ho
Mimi say,
ache.
me say, me call platform bias na MPP ni bia jina also onya ahwe a. Me catch you say you are a liar because one way or the other, free SHS. I'm a teacher. I'm in a secondary school, and one way or the other, oh share the way a free SHS buy. Even I'm telling you, say I am NDC for buy no. Omo ka say you can say buffer stock. Omo fair aduane no. Ma buffer stock bi. But within just 1 month, the aduane ana nkwala no edi no my sister. Okwa obesu. And recently, we changed it to buffer stock. And I stabilized. So these are the things that we need to communicate to the people. Me na nanu mo mutie crash. In fact, and let's say I'm supposed to go to a program. I'm mommy back and forth. I'm just asking myself, say, so
Me
are we
ba
going to have?
Kwejo mami nka se bi.
Are we going to
Eto
have
da
this
bia,
weak
Kwejo utie.
communication system? Are we going to have
Yo,
this
the
weak?
abe the
Kwejo
light
utie
na
me
ba.
pa.
Yo, the light na ba afi.
Mama mba yo. Emma.
It's because we don't need money from MPP. We want to find ways so that the party will take a structure. I can for one.